Class 173 means 43. Strip chart means XT recorder. So it records one or more variables with respect to time. Okay. For example, load curve. So load with respect to time. Okay. So it will have a roll of paper moving vertically. See, this is the paper here. Okay. And this is the motor. To this motor, there will be the paper bundle will be put here. Okay. For example, in printer, you might have seen paper bundle will be there. It moves. Paper moves. Like that, this moves. So this is called as paper drive mechanism. Okay. And this is called as a pen or stylus. Okay. That is driven by another motor or another usually motor only or anything that moves this. This will rotate. So paper will be moving at a constant speed. Okay. Depending upon the speed selector that we will see later. So this will be moving. Now this will give the value. Suppose you want to plot voltage versus current, voltage versus time, or say load versus time. If load is more, this ink will come here. Paper will be moving here. Now the mark is here. Okay, if the load is less, this will be here. So this will be zero. This is maximum high, say 10 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt. Okay, so range selector is there here. Say 10 kilowatt, 100 kilowatt. According to that, this drive system will move the pen in the x direction. This is y direction. According to the time speed, time scale, okay, you will select the speed. Okay, so if the paper moves fast, scale will be higher. Otherwise, scale will be lower. So like that. Now scale is there. Scale you can have optional. Okay, so what happens is it will be continuously rotating and this pen will mark on the paper. Okay, this pen will give some ink. It will be touching the paper lightly but firmly. As the paper moves, mark will appear permanently on the paper. Sometimes the paper will be a sensitive one and the pen will be heated one. So it will create a mark, thermal sensitive paper. There will be no ink, but when this is heated, this will, wherever it touches, color of the paper will change, means it will become gray or black. So you can have a record of the data. So data, what you have, voltage or current, whatever it is, that should that value should drive this pen to x direction. More the data, more it should come here. So this is that. Okay, and here paper drive. Okay, so this is marking system. It may be ink or heated pen. You can have ink here, ink pen on any paper, or heated pen, heated point on a heat sensitive paper. Other things are there. No need. You understand those two. Now tracing system. It can be Rectilinear or curvilinear. Rectilinear means graph is rectangle. Sometimes graph may be curvilinear. See, this is the curvilinear. You can see here. See here, this you can see here curve. Okay, because here this rotates actually. The value, okay, this deflects. This is a moving coil instrument. As the quantity is increased, it will deflect more. It will not move here. It will deflect. So this is a curvilinear system. Okay, galvanometer type recorder. So this is a galvanometer, moving coil instrument. The pen will be touching the paper. Now x-axis lines will be curved here. Y-axis are linear. Okay, and it is curvilinear chart. So you have a roller here and a motor here. This motor rotates. Okay, paper bundle will be here initially. Okay, and when the motor rotates, the paper will be moving and collected in this roller. Okay, here also actually there will be another roller also, that is not shown here. One is to deliver, other is the collector one. Okay, so that is XT recorder. Next is XY recorder. Here there is a single chart. There is no paper will not move continuously. It is fixed chart. Okay, the pen will be moved by two inputs. Here the pen will be moved only by one input. See here, pen is moved by only the data, and chart is moved by the motor according to the time or means selected scale. But here pen is not moved. So paper is not moved. Pen is moved by two signals. Both the signals x and y are given to the pen. X rotates or x moves the this horizontal frame to x direction. To this frame, pen is attached. Okay, and this y input, okay, moves this frame or pen in the y direction. Okay, so this is a balance circuit means all these things which actually gives the required value of the input or measurement. So see hysteresis curve. You plot B versus H. So it is not a time variant. It is one versus another. Stress strain curve. Okay, pressure volume curve. Pressure and flow. Okay. So like this, for all these things, it can be used. Next we have UV recorder. Okay, that we'll see in the next class.